Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, I am super excited. We are taking a look at one of my favorite brands of entry-level mid-profile fifth wheels, and this is a floor plan that we haven't seen yet. This is a 2021 Forest River Impression Model 280RL. We are gonna take a look at the outside features first, then the inside features. Then we're gonna give you 3 things we love about the Impression and 3 things we dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, again, welcome back to another video. My name is Matt from Matt's and Will's RV Reviews Towables. It's the world's only channel giving you 3 things we love and 3 things we don't love about every travel trailer, fifth wheel, and toy hauler that we review. And again, today I am super excited to be taking a look at this awesome Forest River Impression. Really knocked it out of the park with this fifth wheel. I'm super excited to show it to everybody. But before I begin, I would like to say hi to Will. Hey Will!
Hey guys!
How's it going?
It's going good. I'm excited to take a look at this Impression. They're always really nice and innovative on the inside. New colors and stuff. So I'm excited to see what this floor plan has to offer.
And we're here in North Canton, Ohio, and it's
Yes.
a lot better today than it was the last time we were here.
It sure is.
All right, well, let's begin.
All right.
Model is Forest River Impression 280RL. The actual tip-to-tip length of this fifth wheel is 35 feet 3 inches. The dry weight is 9,456 pounds. And will that hitch weight?
I don't know.
Neither do we. The specs aren't on there yet, but it should be about what, 1,500 pounds ish.
Yeah.
You know, always you're gonna want to make sure you can tow this beforehand, and always remember it's not about the weight of the fifth wheel; it's about the pin weight. Right up here, we do have this lipper component Rhino box, the shorter pin box for the shorter fifth wheel. We do have a nice white painted fiberglass front cap, very nice Forest River Impression LED light strip underneath and everything.
With the windshield, I think.
Oh, is that a windshield up there?
Pretty sure it is.
Man, that's so nice. Right here, we do have your storage with your spare tire carrier, not prepped for a generator. No big deal. That's what this entry-level fifth wheel. Coming on down the side here, we do got speakers on the outside, and then a decent amount of storage. And then look at this. Psh, America. Hell yeah. Beer opener right there, aluminum framing and everything. Now this does have 4-point electric leveling jacks. We'll mention that a little bit later. Which normally on their smaller Impressions, I don't mind the 4-point, but on the bigger Impressions I do. And this one's one of the bigger ones. You'll see on the inside. We do got hookup for a TV on the outside and everything. Also, we do have a power awning with LED lights. We close enough, Will? No, we got enough space.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's take a look at that when it's all the way out. Very nice power awning with LED lights. We do have these solid steps here, good grab handle, and the extended season camping package. Also right there underneath there is a propane quick connect. And then look at these tires, Will. They're the Goodyear Endurance tires. I love that. ST225-75R15 with those nice looking rims. Very nice. I like that. Coming around the back, we do not have a bumper for the rear. We do have a hitch, 300-pound hitch of vertical weight. You cannot tow behind this fifth wheel. Right there, we do have a bumper for the not a bumper. We do have a place to store your sewer hose. It is prepped for a Furrion backup camera. Yeah. Cool, finishing up. Right here, here's where you dump your black and gray tanks. Also your galley hookup. Right over here is your water heater. 50 amp service right here. Okay. And then here's your wet bay. Look at this. Outdoor shower, city water connection, satellite hookup, potable water fill. Potable. Very nice. And your propane tanks right here. Well, the outside of this fifth wheel looks great, but the inside looks even better. Let's go take a look.
All right.
Check out the inside.
Here we go.
Here we go now.
All right, starting up front, got the bedroom right here. And right down here is the bathroom. And coming on down, we have the kitchen and dining area in the middle. And the living room in the back.
Yes. Now, Will.
Yeah.
While I'm getting the awning in, I do want to give a huge shout out to our sponsor, campgroundviews.com. Now, you guys heard us talking about campground views for the last week or so. And what it is the Google Maps. It is the Google Earth of campsites. Right now, they're getting all the recreation.gov properties. So you're able to tour state and national parks from the luxury of your home. Not only that, if you do see a campsite that you like, you're able to book that actual site through the website campgroundviews.com. It's an amazing product, an amazing company. We have an interview with the owner of campgroundviews.com. We'll link that video right up here and at the end of the video. Big shout out to campgroundviews.com. Will, let's continue the video.
All right.
We're going to start back here.
Okay.
And Will, this is a small fifth wheel.
It is, yeah.
But look how big and spacious it feels back
Right.
here. It's incredible. I love that. We have very big storage up here.
Yep.
And it is super bright up here. Windows all the way around. I love the color scheme they use. You got your privacy curtains here. Power, USB, and everything. And then you got little cubbies on both sides. This right here, it does come out to make a bed. And you know what we're going to do, Will?
Make a bed.
We're going to check it out. Yes, sir. Nice. We got that there. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. It makes a bed just like that. And well, you know what we haven't done in a while?
What?
We haven't done our magic trick. So to put it back up, all you got to do is go like this.
Wow, that was cool.
Pretty neat. That's what I'd say. Very nice, easy to set up and everything. And then over here is the Thomas Paine Collection theater seats. You got your cup holders here. Place for your remote control right there. Nice big windows all the way around. You got your privacy curtain, which is nice. These aren't frameless windows, but they do slide open for a nice breeze.
Right.
Nice cross ventilation. And then we are directly across from your entertainment center right there. And again, it's one thing I absolutely love about Impression. Furrion everything.
Oh,
Furrion
yeah.
TV, soundbar, fireplace. That fireplace does produce heat from electricity. Looks like there's even a little bit of storage underneath there.
A little bit, yeah.
You got that action right there and this action right here. And then another thing I absolutely love is this dinette area. You have your live edge table. This is secured down, so, but look at this. You can sit this all the way back. This is Fat Boy tested. Fat Boy approved.
That's right.
Yes. This is where the bigger people are going to sit. It's going to be like a booth dinette type. You're not stuck in the corner. You know, it's a nice looking chair, but it's angled weird and different, and it's, you know, it's just tucked away in a corner. Well, Will, do you know what time it is? It's now time for the MSRP. Okay. MSRP on this Forest River Impression here is $62,982. Will, that is MSRP. Sale prices, you can see there, we don't currently have a sale price. We do have a sale price, we're just not advertising it on YouTube right now. But Will, we sell the Impressions in most of our stores throughout General RV ecosystem. And if somebody wants to buy one of these Forest River Impressions and they want to get the best price in America, Will, tell everybody what to do.
They can call, they can text, they can email, they can FaceTime.
Hey, 301-906-0962 or MattsRVReviews@gmail.com. Send me an email, or the best thing to do is go to MattsRVReviews.com. There you'll see your 3 contact me forms. If you're ready to buy this RV or any RV, Click tab number 1. That takes you to General RV, and somebody from my team will help get you the best price in America. If you're not ready to buy this RV, not a problem. Click tab number 2. That sends an email to both Will and myself, and we're here to help navigate the process for you to get you to the right buying decision. Or if you're not ready to buy an RV at all, not a problem. Click that 3rd tab, and we're here to talk. And Will, it doesn't matter if somebody clicks tab 3, 2, or 1. What's the one thing we'll always get them?
The best price in America.
Well, let's continue the video.
All right, sounds good. So the Impressions always have really nice kitchens too, I think.
Yes.
And first, to comment, to piggyback off of Matt, you have all the Furrion there, and they continued the Furrion all into the kitchen.
Furrion everything.
Furrion everything, starting with this nice compressor fridge.
Yes.
Pretty good size.
Very
Already
good
getting
size.
Cold.
Getting cold off the
golf
cart.
battery.
Yeah.
Got some storage up top here.
Okay.
And here with a microwave in the middle.
Yes, sir.
Again, Furrion microwave.
Small microwave, though.
It is, yep. Furrion range hood here.
Hood range.
And you do have a nice window here, letting some nice natural lights, fresh air, whatever. Good counter space on either side of the stove, which is a 3-burner, again, Furrion cooktop with blue lights and an oven.
Very nice.
Got a couple drawers here.
Yes, sir.
Storage there. Drawer under the oven. And more there and here.
Yes, sir.
Then coming over to this island, pretty good sized island here. Nice spray faucet. I like that they did all black.
Black on black on black. Yep.
All right.
I like it.
Nice single bowl sink with this little cover. Nice big sink too. Pretty good counter space. Now it's not solid surface countertops.
Not mad at this weight.
Yeah, at this weight. They were definitely doing that to keep weight down. Got a couple drawers right there. And some storage underneath the sink there.
Yes, sir.
And then check out this nice big pantry.
Look at that.
This is crazy. So they did the chalkboard on the outside so that you can, write down notes or what's for dinner, grocery list, whatever. And then in here,
look at that.
Huge pantry.
That is huge.
And
wow, even huger pantry up there. Yeah, man.
Right there.
And I like these light fixtures over the dinette, over the kitchen area.
Yeah.
Very nice. All right, Will, it's now time for the tall test.
Okay.
You got your coat jacket there. Not bad,
All right,
man.
no step up.
Look at that.
Probably saved them. Yeah, it's a little tight, but
so you guys saw this. We were in the Montana a week ago.
yeah.
And we didn't like that it didn't have that. But for this unit,
I'm okay with it.
But I do wish it was more oversized.
Yeah, it would be better.
Are you gonna give it the seal of approval?
I think so.
Okay.
Bing.
Very nice. And again, it didn't pass it with flying colors.
No.
It could have failed because of that. But right here we do have the medicine cabinet. Nice little sink right there. Storage right there.
Might have to get out.
Yeah. Porcelain.
Is it tight?
This is a prime poop position. Bing! Very nice.
Cool. We'll come down and then get out, hopefully.
Okay. Finishing up with the bedroom. Man, well, this unit was thrown together pretty fast.
Yeah.
I'm seeing a lot of imperfections. Which normally, I mean, we'll see that, but there's just a little one too many in this one. Look at this. Prepped for a stackable washer and dryer.
That's awesome. In a mid-pro.
Right here, this is where the TV would go. And then look at that. You do have your air conditioning unit right there.
That surprises me.
Right here, we also have a front slide out with the little cubbies right there. Nice storage. Look at that. Very nice storage. And Will, you were right. That is a front windshield.
It sure is.
And show that storage right over there as well.
Right there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice bed. Walk aroundable.
Does it lift?
You know it.
There you go.
Very nice. overall, Will, just a great, solid unit. Really nice unit, really nice weight, really nice price point. Now, Will, before everybody leaves, that's the review. It's now time we give you 3 things we love about the impression and 3 things we dislike about it. Will, what do we do with first?
3 things we love?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to go first.
Okay.
Let's go out there.
All right. Where are we going, outside or just down here?
No, just down here.
Okay.
Or I can grease them. We said it earlier, we said it once, we'll say it again. I love how they use Furrion on everything. Furrion, in our opinion, is the best brand of electronics, but I don't give a crap if they use Furrion or Magic Chef or this brand or that brand. The fact that they're all consistently the same, that is what I love about it.
That's right.
When the TV breaks, when the oven breaks, when your speaker breaks, when your microwave breaks, you got one person to call, and that's Furrion. That's number 1. Will, number 2?
All right, I'm going back to the bedroom.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Talk to me.
Okay, again, this is a mid-pro. It's a little bit of smaller mid-pro too. The fact that they got the stackable washer and dryer.
Yes.
Like, I still would have really liked it if they got an all-in-one.
Right.
Like, that would have been great enough. But then they did stackable, which is crazy.
It's crazy, I tell you.
Yep.
So that's number 2. And then, Will, number 3.
Okay.
I thought you would have said this. This pantry space.
It's crazy.
This is small 5th wheel, y'all.
Yeah.
This is a small 5th wheel. And the fact that they were able to give you a pantry this big, super duper nice.
Yep.
Well, Will, that's 3 things we love about it. Now it's time for 3 things we don't like about this 5th wheel. Bum, bum, bum.
Okay.
I have 2 if you have 1.
I have 1.
Talk to me.
Outside, though.
Is it the thingy?
I think so.
Well, that's mine. You're taking mine. Okay. My first one. Carpet.
Sure.
Don't like carpet. Never have liked carpet. Never will like carpet. Carpet for me is always stupid in 5th wheels or in any RVs. And too many brands are doing it without carpet, so I wish they were able to do it without carpet.
Yep.
That's number 1. Will, number 2?
Okay.
I guess we'll roll with it.
All right.
I don't really have a number 3rd.
Mine is the fact that they didn't add the second awning in.
Yep. We've said it once and we'll say it again.
And it looks like there's room to add it even now.
Right.
So why not?
Right. You only have this one awning. As nice as this awning is, oh, I do have a 3rd dislike. As nice as this awning is, I just much rather would have seen this awning with an awning right there.
Yep.
So that's 2. And then number 3 is the 4-point electric leveling. Again, when it comes to these smaller impressions, the 2400 RE, the 2700 RK, I don't have a problem with the 4-point, but with the bigger ones, with this one, with that front living room one, I wish they would have made it 6-point electric leveling. It can still be electric, I'm totally fine with that, but it should be 6-point.
Yep.
Well, that's it. That's the review. Thank you guys, absolutely everybody, so much for watching. If you guys have any questions on this 5th wheel, please call, text, send us an email. It is MattsRVReviews@gmail.com or 301-906-0962. That's my personal cell, or the best thing to do is to go to MattsRVReviews.com and click one of the 3 contact me tabs. If you are in the market for a nice mid-profile 5th wheel like this, we are going to put its competitors right there and there. Will, is there anything you'd like to say?
Of course. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. The impressions have been hot so far. People have been loving them. I think this is another great one to add to their list.
Yep.
Make sure to leave down in the comments below. Let us know 3 things you like, 3 things you dislike. Make sure to also smash the thumbs up button and subscribe.
Also, big shout out to campgroundviews.com.
Sure, yeah.
We have a video with the owner right there. Make sure you guys check that out that video. It's a great company, a great product, and honestly, a great service to the RV industry.
That's right, made by RVers for RVers. He's
Brr,
an
brr,
RVer
brr,
himself,
brr. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.